I've been through a lot, but I'm still flirty. Is everybody back up in the building? It's been a minute, tell me how you're healing. Cause I'm about to get into my feelings. How you feeling? How you feel right now? Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. Oh, I'm not the girl I was or used to be. Bitch, I might be better. Turn up the music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay. Alright, it's about damn time. Turn up the music, let's celebrate. I got a feeling I'm gonna be okay, okay. Alright, it's about damn time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciennes, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup. Wanna get up, wanna get down. That's how I feel right now. Oh, I've been so down and under pressure. I'm way too fine to be distressed, yeah. Oh, I'm not the girl I was or used to be. Bitch, I might be better. Turn up the music, turn down the lights. I got a feeling I'm gonna be alright, okay. Alright, And everybody wants to treat me so cold. But I know I love you and you love me. There's no other lover but you and me.
The Kansas City fashion legend, Miss O. Isn't she lovely? Let me hear you say, oh, yes she is. Oh, yes she is. My friend. Amazing. Girl, you rock. She can do it just for you. These fashions were modified, sold, and created, designed, and modeled by Oliva's very own. She is the bomb.com. Come on, say, oh, yes, she is. Oh, yes, she is. Hey, girl. If you like to purchase anything that you see the models have on, check with Olita. You guys are fabulous, just beautiful. Fashion, emotion. Alita, would you like to have a few words?
Only thing I'm going to say is I'm glad it's over with. I'm tired, but I thank everybody for coming out. I hope y'all enjoyed it. That's just my little presentation.
Hey, can I get a round of applause for the models? What do y'all gotta say? What do y'all gotta say? The turn-up is real. Y'all killed it. Y'all killed it. They ain't killed. Nothing. The turn-up is real, baby. Come on, let's go. What do y'all say? Yeah, we killed it, baby. Yeah, we made history. Hey, we did that.
Know. She's an amazing woman, and I can talk about her from my heart. I don't have a paper or script or anything. I've been knowing her for years. When I met her, she was advocating in the community, serving food to the homeless, giving them clothes, and making sure that they had the proper social services that they needed. there at Linwood United Church. And they would come in and they would ask for this young lady because they knew that they would get help. She has an art about her, a style, a finesse. And let me tell you something else. She's one of Kansas City's best kept secrets.
All right now.
She's not always out in the open. She's the one behind the scenes. I've seen it. I've heard it, heard her. When fashion gurus that you see in magazines call her from New York, and I know for a fact, I'm talking of cities that I know that she went to. New York and Atlanta. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
She has a skill that can turn something common into something very beautiful by just rearranging it. And when her mind is set to it, she will do it and she will get the job done. I love her because she's so detailed and she cares about what she does. You won't be tacky. I witnessed her just hand sew, stitch and knit little beads of wedding gowns, prom dresses, my dresses, my shirts. She even made me, and I love them, Kansas City Chief jeans. I got these on here and that's right there. She's just creative in her mind. She is a caterer, an entrepreneur. You bring it to her and she'll get the job done. She's just amazing. The plays, gospel plays, other plays, in most every theater in Kansas City. She's behind the scenes. Sewing costumes and making the vision of the playwriters come to reality. You all didn't know that. She's behind the scenes. The last one she did, I believe that I was there, was Cover Her. But she's always working. Always. So, without further ado, you know, I'm going to say something else about her. You remember the slave or the saying that you used to say, beautiful.com? They said it because of her. She is the bomb.com. My friend, fashion designer, fashion creator, caterer, entrepreneur. If you need it, she's got it. If you feel insecure about yourself, when you step into one of her dresses, I believe this is where selfies started, because they had something on here made. So they can take a picture. My friend, the best kept secret in Kansas City, an artist of fashion, in emotion, in town, and all around. Miss Onita Johnson. Can you all give her a round